Hi, my name is Itzel Martinez. I am a recent graduate from the University of California, Berkeley, where I studied electrical engineering and computer science. The good thing about living in today's society is that everything's online. So if you want to learn CS, you can do it at your own pace. And you can also check out some resources such as Google CS First if you're in middle or high school. You can also go to Code Academy, which also has some courses on different languages that you can learn. Just explore the web and don't be afraid to try new things. The first thing that you need to learn CS is a desire. So if you want to learn CS, there's definitely a lot of resources out there. I actually chose my major by mistake. The first semester in college, I was exposed to computer science. Just the word. I didn't know anything about the field, and so I was really interested in finding out what everybody was talking about. And I went to an advisor and I asked him what classes I should take for extra units. And he suggested I take an introductory course to computer science. And it was by chance that I actually switched into my major, because if it weren't for the introductory course called the Beauty and Joy of Computing, I would have never found out about computer science, and it was all new to me. I think that was the exciting part. I think I liked the possibilities that a degree in computer science gave me. It is unique, it's very challenging, but it's also really fun. Here are 3 tips to help you land your first technical internship. The first is to get experience. Whether it is on your own time, through personal projects, building a website, app, whatever you're passionate about, that will help you gain experience that you can put on your resume to land your first internship. Another way that you can get experience is by looking at research opportunities, work study opportunities, paid or unpaid internships that will help you gain that experience, whether it's in startups or maybe you want to build something with your friends. You can put that on your resume. The second tip is to join organizations that will help you connect with tech companies such as Code 2040, attend conferences such as the Loft Coder Summit that will help you connect with tech professionals and students, meet recruiters, and really create a relationship between the companies that you want to work for and the people that work there. Lastly, I would just get a lot of practice before your technical interview. Do a lot of studying. I studied with cracking the coding interview, looking at YouTube videos on how to solve problems that I didn't know how to solve, practicing out loud when you're solving a problem, and also looking at online resources that can help you gain that real technical interview experience. I used the website Prem to help me practice for the real technical interview. So those are just a couple of tips that I can give you to land your first internship. Things to include in your technical resume. The first would be where you go to school, what year you're graduating. The second is relevant coursework, maybe to the role that you're applying, more technical classes. Also, definitely include your internship experience or work experience if you have any. Include your personal projects. I think a lot of recruiters like to see that you work on something that you're passionate about outside of school or outside your work. Also, if you don't have any personal projects, you can always include your in-class projects and talk about what part of the project you worked on, or if you did it alone, talk about what you created. You should also include the languages that you know, and I would suggest to rate them by level of proficiency, whether you are familiar with it to proficient to you are an expert. I would also include leadership positions that you have taken in clubs, on campus, or outside of school. I think that shows your leadership and initiative. And also, if you have more space in your resume, I would suggest to include activities related to computer science, such as hackathons you've attended or what have you worked on. If you have done any competitions and what you did in that competition, I think that shows that you are really passionate about the field. So any of that will be really helpful to include in your resume. In order to land your first internship, you have to go through a series of technical interviews, which are problems that you are given to solve with a recruiter or with a professional working at the company that you're interviewing for. What they mainly want to see in your technical interview is that you are able to think out loud and share your thinking process with the other person, and being able to collaborate to solve the problem together. They are really testing your fundamentals and whether you know the basics of computer science. It can be online, a video chat, it can be a phone interview, or it could be an in-person interview. After you have your technical interview, there's also a non-technical interview, which is a behavioral interview. And that tests mostly your ability to work with others, to learn more about yourself, what projects you have worked on, why are you passionate about computer science, and why do you want to work for the company. So that's just the basic outline of what the interview process for landing a technical role is like. If you're at all interested in learning more about computer science, I would strongly suggest that you check out resources, go to conferences, talk to people who are studying computer science, ask them, why do you like the field, or why are you passionate about it? And if you are shaky at all about continuing or staying in the computer science major, I would urge you to think about why you first joined computer science. Always go back to that thing that started it all. And definitely reach out to people, ask them to be your mentors. Definitely check out MentorRoom. I'm always there to answer any questions that you may have. And thank you for watching.